What are the best options when deciding how to approach a difficult conversation with an employee? Let's get into this. If you've ever been in a situation where an employee has broken company rules or their performance is not up to scratch, then you'll know that it can be stressful for you as the manager and for the employee. I've had to do this on countless occasions myself, and I've coached managers to do it as well. So in this video, let's break down 5 ways you can approach having a difficult conversation so you can decide which is best for you to use. If you find this type of video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference to my channel. And if you hang on to the end, I'll give you some bonus advice that worked wonders for my management career. Option 1, the direct approach. This method involves addressing the issue straightforwardly and without beating around the bush. You state the problem clearly, give specific examples, and explain the impact on the team or the organisation. I find this is best for situations that need immediate attention and where the employee needs to quickly grasp the seriousness of the issue. For example, when someone is repeatedly late for work. Option 2, the collaborative approach. With this approach, you involve the employee in the conversation, encouraging them to share their perspective and work together to find solutions. It emphasises teamwork and mutual respect. This is ideal for complex issues where the employee's input is valuable or when you want to strengthen your relationship with them. A good example could be when project deadlines have been missed, and understanding the reasons why could be complex and varied. Option 3, the coaching approach. This method focuses on guiding the employee to discover solutions on their own. You ask open-ended questions, provide feedback, and help them identify their own action steps. I found this is really effective for performance issues where the employee might need some support and development to overcome challenges. For example, when someone has delivered poor sales results over a period of time. Option 4, the empathetic approach. Here you prioritise understanding the employee's feelings and perspective, showing empathy and support. It involves active listening and validating their emotions before tackling the issue. In my experience, this approach is best for solutions where the problem might be linked to personal or emotional factors, or when the employee is particularly stressed or sensitive. Option 5, the structured approach. This is a formal step-by-step process. You outline the purpose of the conversation, present the issue with evidence, discuss the impact, and then collaboratively create an action plan with timelines and follow-ups. The structure is important with this one. This should be your go-to approach if there are ongoing performance problems or behavioural issues that really need a clear and documented resolution process. In practice, you've probably used a few of the earlier methods first, and now it's time for the formal process. And finally, my bonus tip. This is a simple one. If you feel you need to have a difficult conversation, then don't put it off. Procrastination is your worst enemy in these types of scenarios. Do it as soon as you can. If you have any other tips on dealing with difficult conversations at work, let me know in the comments below. For more tips and advice to develop your management career, please consider subscribing. And thanks for watching.